Hi everyone, today we will change the valve cover gasket, remove the upper cover and disconnect the ignition coil connector. Unscrew these two screws, use for this Torx 40. And disconnect the wiring boxes from the cover. Also pull this wiring out of its place. Removing these plastic boxes isn't really a simple task. Use a large minus screwdriver for this, push against the latch and lift it up. You also need to disconnect the solenoid valve connector and pull out the pin of the crankcase ventilation tube. Access to it is a little complicated, it's only more difficult to install it back. Pull it to the side a little and it will turn off. A long thin screwdriver works well for this. Now we need an E10 socket. We unscrew 10 screws around, take out the ignition coil. There is also one screw under it. Now we can remove the valve cover. As a rule, the valve cover is held in place very firmly. To get it out, you need to carefully lift it up from the edge with a crowbar. Do not press too hard. Remember, cover is plastic. Remove the old valve cover gasket. Install a new one. Also, degrease and clean the installation site with brake cleaner. For easier installation, secure the cover screws in the up position with tape. The valve cover is in place. Now you need a torque wrench. The tightening force of the screws according to the instruction is 8 Nm. Tighten from the center to the edges. Install the pin back, connect all the connectors, assemble everything in the reverse order. That's all. I hope this video was useful for you. Thanks for your attention.